Hello, welcome again to the series of tutorial from Fabonic, and today I'll be showing you how to make a purchases in our software. So after providing a credential for login, I'll sign in, then I'll go to transaction. So click transaction, then choose purchases. It will open the screen which you will provide all details about your purchases. So the first one is set a supplier name, the supplier for your purchases, and then a service name. So let me write up supplier, and then choose an item which I'm going to purchase. I'll use example product. This is the row which duplicated after. This is the option if you don't the supply is new, the supply is not existing, so I'm going to write a new supplier. So test supplier and then submit. You see here it has appeared here. The second button is to save my purchases, and the third one is to add a new purchase. The fourth one is to see previous purchases, and this one is to print the purchases, and this one is to delete the purchases. After saving it, I can delete it. As you see, the product has appeared which I have wrote, and from here I can choose location. You see, I can change up a location of purchases as I want, and from here I can choose the unit. The quantity by default is 1, but I can change it to wherever I want. Whatever I want, I can change it from here. Also, cost price can be changed. Also, if I want to add a discount, if I have got a discount from the supplier, I want to add, I'll use the column for discount. Let's say I want to change the cost price, I will use that. Discount by amount, I will add it here. So let's say 1. So the discount will be deducted. So if the discount is in percent, I'm supposed to check the box for discount percentage. So the one will be termed as a percent instead of amount. So let me remove this because I don't want a discount right now. So after completing all steps, I'm going to save my purchases, and then okay. You can see my purchases is saved right now. I can choose to edit the purchase. I can choose to delete whatever I want. I can do it from here if I want to edit anything. After editing, I'm supposed to save it again in order for the changes to be saved. So you can see the quantity has changed from 15 to 3. So if I want to delete the row, I'm going to use that X icon. If I want to set a serial number of that purchase, I'm going to click that icon, and then it will show the place where I'm supposed to write the serial number for the 3 quantity of example product. So I'm going to write one example only, and this one, and this one. So serial number is set for the product. If I want to see the previous purchases, I'm going to click this icon. So you see, I can see all purchases that I have done from today. On hover, you can see different buttons, and also if I want to choose the date of purchase from here, I can filter using the date. If I want to show product on each purchase I've done, you can see that by checkbox that and such. And the icons, this is to view the purchase. The second one is to edit if you want to edit it. The third one is to delete and this is to print. So this money icon is to provide payment details for that purchases. So here is payment account description and the amount to be supposed to be paid, and this is paid amount. You can see the paid amount is 0. So I'm going to choose the account to which I'm taking money from, and then description. Purchases, payments. I'm paying 150. Yeah, then save, then confirm. So after providing the details, when I'm coming back here, you can see that the amount paid is 150. Yes, so the payment details is now provided, so the purchases is paid. So if you want to upload the purchases from Excel, you can choose to do that by using that icon, whereby you are going to upload the Excel with the list of services and then upload in easy way if you are having many products. Thank you.